Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create a picture like this. It's like the trend action figure that it is still gone viral in Instagram. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, fortunately, you don't have to use the very pricey AI to create this action figurine because you can simply use this Gemini AI. And also, you don't have to upgrade it into the pro version because surprisingly, that this Gemini AI also have prepared you how to create your own custom mini figure. And of course, you can also create this minifigure or action figure with this nano banana. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, of course, you can access this Gemini AI first, and don't forget to do the login first with your email and choose this setting or tool to become create image because it also have been embedded into the nano banana. You can simply click this after the sign up process. And for example, you can click this first. You can ask this nano banana to create this figurine. And after that, you can go to upload your image. For example, I will choose this one. And you can continue to respond this Gemini AI. Create this picture into the figurine and enter because the previous prompt has already show or follow the instruction or the prompt is already automatically provided by this Gemini AI. And kindly wait for the maybe 15 seconds until 30 seconds to let this nano banana to generate your image, and voila, this will be the action figurine has already generated into this nano banana in Gemini AI, and I will try to download it and let's see the result. So this will be the watermark of this Gemini AI, but as you can see that the picture is really very natural and following the every single detail of this picture. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this nano banana to create your own favorite action figure. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.